Let's briefly chat. It's week 10 for you. Obviously, I'm in the same shirt. That's fine. Yes, by this point in the semester, you realize your teacher is an absolute silly goose. I'm fine with that. So it's peer review week, and I want to briefly talk with you. There is no PowerPoint for this week. This week is purely about you doing for your classmates what you want them to do for you. There are 20 students in the course, and I will be putting you into groups. For this peer review, I can't have prior knowledge of who's actually going to participate and who's not. I wish I could have that prior knowledge because I would like to ensure that I put you with people that are going to actually put effort into the peer review. Because of that, I'm going to put us into four groups of five, right? So I'm assuming before the semester starts, because what I can see now on my faculty side of things is that this is a full class. So I'm assuming at this point that we still will have a full class. I'm hoping that we'll still have a full class. So we should have four groups of five, which is going to be good if everyone participates. So in your group of five, you are going to exchange papers with one another. In your group, honestly, I'm not sure what features are available to you. I can't see it from my side to know exactly what's going to be involved there. So, um, within your group, I'm positive that you're going to be able to message one another and share files with one another. On old Blackboard, you would be able to share files with one another. I'm just assuming that's going to be the case this time. I need to be able to look at it from a student's perspective. I mean, I can go into student preview, but without making myself a student and then actually getting in there with other people. And I've asked questions about this. I haven't gotten the answers that I want just yet, but we'll get there. We'll get there. We're still learning Ultra, and Ultra is still figuring itself out. And so far, everything about Ultra I love, except for this peer review situation. In old Blackboard, no sweat. It was awesome. I could give you access to discussion boards with each other. I could give you the ability to share different types of files with each other. I could give you all kinds of access inside of that group feature. With Ultra, I don't have that ability. So within your group, it is going to be your responsibility. It's going to be on you to share information with each other. You're going to share your papers with each other. You might email them to each other if you don't have the share file feature. I'm hoping you have the share file feature. If not, there's the messages section of our Ultra course shell, and you could share information there. So share your papers with each other. Only spend from Monday to Friday reading each other's papers and doing peer review. Make sure that you open up each other's papers, that you are giving solid critique. If you have a grammar checker service, like I have Grammarly Premium, if you have a service like that and you feel so inclined, you feel like you want to be kind to your group mates, run their papers through Grammarly and give them screenshots of what Grammarly shows if it's something that they need. Now, that's on you. And what you all decide in your groups is up to you. But that's, if you're feeling so inclined to be helpful to your classmates in that way, um, feel free to. That's not cheating. In my book, that's not cheating. That's called using your tools. And so do that. Be working with those papers. Make sure that you have those uploaded back into your group, however you all are exchanging papers, by Friday at midnight. We want to be done with peer reviewing by Friday at midnight. The reason for that is you need to have Saturday and Sunday to make your final edits. We want to make sure that we're not pushing anybody to the last second here. So the golden rule really applies here. Do for others what you want them to do for you. All right. I think that's a very common basic principle in life. It's a great way to jump into projects and into communication and into all sorts of things. So do for others what you want them to do for you. So if you want strong feedback, give strong feedback. That's the way that works. If you are struggling at all to do this effectively, just text me. Text me, talk to your group mates, advocate for yourself, advocate for each other. I can't know if there's a problem if nobody tells me. So please do so. Let's take full advantage of our opportunity. And I'm going to call it that. It is an opportunity to peer review because one of the best things you can do for yourself when you're writing is to have someone else's eyes on your work. And the more, the better. So in 4 groups of 5, you've got 4 people looking at your work, and you're going to get a variety of responses that you'll be able to go through and decide what you want to do with their comments. Okay? It's good stuff. My hope is that everyone will play along, that everybody is going to be part of the team. That's what I really, really want to see. So, with that being said, I'm not going to keep you. This is just a short little video. Hopefully, it's an explanation so that you feel comfortable knowing what it is that we're doing. All right. I'm going to not keep you any longer, but if you have questions, you know how to text me, you know how to get a hold of me and ask questions. So, with that, I'll see you next week.